So I broke my glasses. So anyway, I want to say that a couple of people who I've caused harm and trauma to, came to me and expressed my part, and I accepted my responsibility, and I let them know that I'm not the same person that I was when I was inflicting that harm and that trauma. And I recognize how they feel, and that I have to earn their trust and their forgiveness. And because they mean the world to me, I'm willing to show them that I'm not the same person that I used to be, and that I will definitely earn their trust and their forgiveness back. And I'm so sorry for everything that I did, and I take responsibility. If they choose not to forgive me, I understand that. But if it takes the rest of my life to show them that I'm not the same person, and that I apologize and I acknowledge my part in the trauma and the lack of trust that they have towards me. And for anybody else, I don't care. But them too, I spend the rest of my life making it up to them. Point blank in the period. It ain't even no discussion about it. I acknowledge it, I apologize, and I will redeem myself. And that's that.